Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to start the chapter of working capital management. First of all, we have to understand the concept of working capital. Basically, working capital is also known as net working capital. But if I talk about the concept of capital, then capital means punji, which is used for running the business, and capital may be two types: working capital and fixed capital. Fixed capital means the capital which is used for purchasing of fixed capital in order to establish the business. Whereas the working capital means after the establishment of business, we need some amount of capital which is used for running of the business, and that running cost is known as the working capital. Working capital means the capital which is used for working of a business, the capital which is used for working of a business, the capital which is used for day to day expenses, covering of day to day expenses, that is known as the working capital. So, my dear students, uh, the working capital can be calculated as working capital equal to current assets minus current liabilities. Uh, if the current assets greater than the current liabilities, that it means that the business is having the positive working capital. But if the current assets is less than the current liabilities, then it means that the business is having the negative working capital. If I talk about the which one is the best for the business, then we should select the positive working capital, because positive working capital is uh, best for the business, because the business is having the capacity to cover its day to day expenses in a very efficient manner, whereas the negative working capital is having the lot of problems during the running of the business, and the liability, current liabilities is higher than the current assets, which is one of the most negative factor of the business. So now here I have talked about the working capital can be calculated as current assets minus current liabilities. Now we need to understand what do we mean by current assets and current liabilities. Current assets means those assets which can be converted into cash within one accounting period. Once again, I am going to repeat. Current assets are those assets which can be converted into cash within one accounting period. Whereas the current liabilities are those type of liabilities which can be payable within one accounting period. So current assets is should be converted into cash within one accounting period, whereas the current liabilities should be payable within one accounting period. The example of current assets is cash in hand, cash at bank, bills receivable, sundry debtors, etc. Whereas the current liabilities, the example of current liabilities is bills payable, sundry creditors, outstanding expenses, bank overdraft, etc. Now, my friends, here I am going to repeat that positive working capital is required to ensure that firm is able to continue its operation, and that it has sufficient funds to satisfy both maturing short-term debt and upcoming operational expenses. The management of working capital involves managing the inventories, account receivables, and payable, as well as the cash. The one of the most important thing is that working capital in the most ordinary form of the business communication means it is a part of capital which is used for running the day to day business activities of the business. If I talk about the objective of working capital, then the number one objective is to ensure optimum investment in current assets. टू इंश्योर ऑप्टिमम इन्वेस्टमेंट इन करंट एसेट्स, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर हम लोग करंट एसेट्स में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं, ये पहला ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है वर्किंग कैपिटल का, ठीक है, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम लोग इन्वेस्ट करना करंट एसेट्स में. नंबर टू, टू स्ट्राइक ए बैलेंस बिटवीन द ट्विन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ लिक्विडिटी एंड प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इन द यूज़ ऑफ फंड. हम लोग बैलेंस बना करके रखते हैं लिक्विडिटी एंड प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी के बीच में, ये वर्किंग कैपिटल का ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है. तीसरा है टू इंश्योर एडिक्वेट फ्लो ऑफ फंड्स फॉर करेंट ऑपरेशंस. करेंट ऑपरेशंस के लिए हम लोगों को एडिक्वेट फंड ऑफ फंड्स को इंश्योर करना पड़ता है. और लास्ट वन है टू स्पीड अप द फ्लो ऑफ फंड्स टू मिनिमाइज द स्टैग्नेशन ऑफ द फंड्स. There are some need of the working capital. If I talk about the need, then there are various needs of the working capital. Without working capital, the business are not supposed to be run successfully. If you have been established your business and you are not having the enough cash to running the business, then your business are supposed to be fail. You cannot you can't make the production, and you can't sell out the production finished product in the to the final consumer. So overall, if I talk about the importance of working capital, then there are very much importance of the working capital, because as we know that fixed capital is important, and similarly the working capital is also important. There are a lot of example in India, in the world, that the business has been established, but they are not having the enough capital to for running the business, and therefore that reason the business are becoming fail and their production becomes the zero. So now I am going to discuss about the importance of working capital, how importance of the working capital. इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल में सबसे फर्स्ट है कि दिस इज़ पॉसिबल ओनली व्हेन द कंपनी अर्न्स सफिशिएंट प्रॉफिट. वर्किंग कैपिटल का नीड है कि दिस इज़ पॉसिबल ओनली व्हेन द कंपनी अर्न्स द सफिशिएंट प्रॉफिट. एंड सेकेंड वन, द अमाउंट ऑफ सच प्रॉफिट लार्जली डिपेंड अपॉन द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ सेल्स. हाउएवर सेल्स डू नॉट कन्वर्ट इनटू द कैश instantaneously, and there is always time gap between the sale of goods and receipt of cash. Therefore additional capital is required to have the uninterrupted business operations. The amount will be locked up in the current assets like account receivable, stocks, etc. This is actually happens due to the cash cycle or operating cycle. कैश साइकिल किसको बोलते हैं, ऑपरेटिंग साइकिल किसको बोलते हैं? कैश साइकिल मीन्स कैश टू कैश कन्वर्ट, मतलब कैश से हम लोग रॉ मटेरियल खरीदे, रॉ मटेरियल से फिर हम लोग सेमी फिनिश गुड्स तैयार किए, फिर फिनिश गुड्स तैयार किए, फिर सेल किए, फिर सेल करने के बाद कैश में कन्वर्ट हुआ. दैट इज़ नोन एज द कैश साइकिल. बाय द टाइम द कैश इज कन्वर्टेड बैक टू कैश, द फर्म नीड एक्स्ट्रा फंड एंड हेंस द नीड ऑफ द वर्किंग कैपिटल. अब आप समझ सकते हैं कैश टू कैश में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हर बिज़नेस को जो है सो वर्किंग कैपिटल की ज़रूरत होती है. तो ये सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट नीड है वर्किंग कैपिटल का. इफ़ दिस इज़ नॉट प्रोवाइडेड, द बिजनेस ऑपरेशन विल अफेक्टेड टू ए ग्रेटर एक्सटेंट, एंड हेंस दिस पार्ट ऑफ फाइनेंस हैज़ टू मैनेज वेल. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, द नीड ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल इज़ very much in the business, because there are so many cost is involved in the business, like fixed cost, variable cost, hidden cost, sunk cost. And when business are supposed to establish their plant and so many things, then in this case after the establishment of the business, we need some amount of working capital so that business can run, business can start their production, and business can sell their product to the final consumer. थैंक यू. नेक्स्ट जो हमारा क्लास होगा वो होगा टाइप्स ऑफ वर्किंग कैपिटल पे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.